Stick around as I dive into QBTS stock and try to break it down so we can all understand what's really going on. QBTS is a company that's been making waves in the tech industry, specifically in the field of quantum computing. What makes QBTS unique is its focus on developing practical applications for quantum computing, which has the potential to revolutionize industries like medicine, finance, and more. This cutting-edge technology has caught the attention of investors and tech enthusiasts alike. QBTS stock has faced its fair share of challenges, including market volatility and competition from established players in the tech industry. The stock price has fluctuated significantly over the past year, leaving some investors wondering if it's a good time to buy or sell. One of the major concerns is the company's ability to scale its quantum computing technology and make it commercially viable. Additionally, the competitive landscape is rapidly evolving, with new players entering the market and established companies investing heavily in their own quantum computing initiatives. The challenges don't stop there. QBTS also faces the hurdle of regulatory uncertainty, as governments around the world grapple with how to govern the use of quantum computing. This uncertainty can make it difficult for investors to predict the company's future prospects. Furthermore, the high cost of developing and maintaining quantum computing technology is a significant burden for QBTS, and it's unclear whether the company can generate sufficient revenue to offset these costs. Another challenge QBTS faces is the talent shortage in the quantum computing space. The company needs to attract and retain top talent in order to continue developing its technology, but this is a challenge that many companies in the industry face. As a result, QBTS must be strategic in its hiring and training practices in order to stay ahead of the curve. QBTS's business model is focused on developing and licensing its quantum computing technology to a range of industries. Recently, the company has made significant strides in advancing its technology, including the development of a new quantum computer that boasts improved performance and efficiency. This progress has been driven by significant investments in research and development, as well as strategic partnerships with other companies and research institutions. In terms of financial performance, QBTS has reported steady revenue growth over the past year, driven by increasing demand for its technology. The company's recent financial results have been encouraging, with revenue up significantly year over year. However, the company still operates at a loss, and investors are eagerly awaiting signs of profitability. One key metric to watch is the company's cash burn rate, which has been a concern for some investors. On the other hand, QBTS has a strong balance sheet, with significant cash reserves that should allow it to continue investing in its technology. One of the most significant developments regarding QBTS stock is the company's recent announcement of a major partnership with a leading tech firm. This partnership is expected to drive significant revenue growth and help QBTS advance its technology. The partnership is a vote of confidence in QBTS's technology and could help to validate its business model. Additionally, the partnership could provide QBTS with access to new markets and customers, further driving growth. The partnership is just one example of the significant developments that are driving QBTS stock. Another key factor is the company's progress in developing practical applications for its technology. As QBTS continues to advance its technology and demonstrate its potential, investors are taking notice. The stock has responded positively to these developments, and it's clear that QBTS is a company to watch in the quantum computing space. In terms of future prospects, QBTS has a lot of potential for growth. The company is well positioned to benefit from the increasing demand for quantum computing technology, and its partnerships and investments in research and development are driving progress. However, investors should keep in mind that the company still faces significant challenges, including market volatility and competition. To recap, QBTS is a company that's pushing the boundaries of what's possible with quantum computing. The company has faced challenges, but its recent progress and partnerships are driving growth and excitement. As investors consider QBTS stock, they should keep in mind the company's potential for growth, as well as the challenges it still faces. What do you think about QBTS stock? Have you invested in the company or are you considering it? Let me know in the comments. If you're interested in learning more about the stock market and other companies like QBTS, be sure to check out my other videos for more insights and analysis.